something fundamental has shifted in the world of artificial intelligence. For years, enthusiasts and privacy advocates have dreamed of running powerful AI models directly on their own computers, free from cloud subscriptions and corporate oversight. Now, with the launch of the official Llama.cpp website and the new Llama app, this dream is more accessible than ever. This video will guide you through the journey of local AI, the problems with cloud-based solutions, and how Llama.cpp is changing the game for everyone. Let's dive into why this matters and how you can be part of this revolution. Llama.cpp has long been the backbone of the local AI movement. Created by Georgy Gerganov, this open-source project allows regular consumer hardware to run massive language models. However, until now, it was mostly a tool for developers, requiring technical know-how and patience to navigate complex installations. With the launch of llama.app and its official website, the experience is now streamlined and user-friendly, opening the doors for anyone to harness the power of generative AI on their own machine. Most people interact with AI through cloud-based services like ChatGPT or Gemini. While these platforms are convenient, they come with significant drawbacks. Your data is sent to third-party servers, raising privacy concerns. Subscription fees or API costs can quickly add up, especially for heavy users or businesses. And if the provider changes their terms or suffers an outage, your workflow can be disrupted instantly. Local AI, on the other hand, keeps your data private, costs nothing to run, and works even without an internet connection. Running AI locally means you have complete control over your data and your digital environment. There's no telemetry, no hidden tracking, and no risk of your information being used for purposes you didn't authorize. You set the system prompts, boundaries, and values. This level of digital sovereignty is a major reason why local AI is so appealing to creators, professionals, and anyone concerned about privacy. Despite its advantages, local AI has historically been difficult to use. Installing Llama.cpp meant dealing with technical documentation, command line tools, and manual downloads. This complexity kept many potential users away. The launch of Llama app changes everything by offering a unified, easy-to-use application that anyone can install with a single click, regardless of their technical background. The new Llama app is built on the principle of radical simplicity. Instead of juggling multiple tools and commands, users now have a single, unified program. Whether you want to chat with a model or run a local server for other applications, everything is handled through one clean interface. This approach is inspired by modern professional software, making powerful AI accessible to everyone. Installing Llama.app is as simple as running a single command in your terminal. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, the process is straightforward and automated. The installer detects your hardware, downloads the latest version, and sets everything up for you. No more hunting for files or editing system paths, just a smooth, user-friendly experience from start to finish. Llama app supports all major operating systems. On Windows, you can use WinJet or PowerShell. On Mac and Linux, Homebrew, MacPorts, and Nix are all supported. This flexibility ensures that anyone, regardless of their preferred platform, can easily install and run local AI models. The software is always kept up to date, so you're never left behind. When you run the installer, the first step is to identify your computer's hardware. The script checks your system architecture, whether it's Intel, AMD, or ARM64, and ensures compatibility. It then connects to a live file on Hugging Face to download the latest version, guaranteeing you always get the most recent and optimized release for your machine. To maximize performance, the installer runs hardware probes. It uses utilities like vulkanprobe.exe and featcode.exe to detect your graphics card and CPU capabilities. If a compatible GPU is found, the installer downloads a version of llama.exe optimized for your hardware. If not, it falls back to the CPU, ensuring the best possible performance on any system. After downloading the optimized executable, the installer places it in a special Windows directory, so it's instantly accessible from any command prompt. This eliminates the need for manual path editing, making the process smooth for all users. The moment installation is complete, you can start using Llama.10's app right away. No extra steps required. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for security and performance. The Llama app installer handles upgrades automatically. When a new version is released, it safely renames the old executable and installs the latest one, cleaning up temporary files in the process. This ensures you always have the best version without any hassle. With Llama app, there's now a single command to rule them all: Llama. Whether you want to chat interactively or run a local API server, everything is managed through this unified interface. The parameters are familiar to existing users but are now handled more gracefully, making advanced features accessible to everyone. Llama app supports both interactive chat and server modes. You can start a chat session in your terminal or launch a local server with an integrated web UI. This flexibility means you can use local AI however it best fits your workflow, whether you're a developer, writer, or researcher. Running a model with Llama. That app is straightforward. For example, you can launch a server with the latest Liquid AI MoE model using a single command. Parameters like memory mapping, GPU layers, thread count, and context window size are all easily configurable. This level of control lets you optimize performance for your specific needs. Once installed and configured, your local AI is ready to go. There's no need for API keys, subscriptions, or internet connections. You have a powerful generative AI model running entirely on your own hardware, ready to assist with any task you throw at it. Llama.app isn't just about running models. It's about enabling the next generation of AI agents. Unlike traditional chatbots, AI agents are proactive. They can plan, execute tasks, review their own work, and iterate until a goal is achieved. This opens up new possibilities for automation, productivity, and creativity, all while keeping your data private and secure. One of the most exciting applications is Pi, an open-source coding agent. Pi lives inside your project folders, reads your code, creates new features, and even debugs errors automatically. Running Pi on local models like Llama app is not only cost-effective, but also keeps your proprietary code safe from external servers. Thanks to the Pi Llama plugin, integrating Pi with your local AI server is effortless. There's no need to edit configuration files or set up complex network ports. Just start your local AI server, open Pi, and everything works automatically. This seamless integration makes advanced AI workflows accessible to everyone. Running AI agents like Pi on cloud models can be extremely expensive, especially for large projects. Local AI eliminates these costs entirely. You can run agents for thousands of hours without spending a dime, and your sensitive data never leaves your machine. This is a game changer for developers, businesses, and anyone who values privacy. The launch of Llama app represents more than just a technical achievement. It's a cultural and philosophical shift. For years, the narrative was that AI would always be centralized, controlled by a few large companies. Now, the open-source community is proving that world-class AI can be decentralized, user-friendly, and accessible to everyone. With a clean, unified command structure and easy installation, Llama.cpp maintainers have transformed local AI from a niche hobby into a mainstream utility. The barrier to entry has vanished, making it possible for anyone with a modern computer to explore the possibilities of local AI. One of the most powerful aspects of local AI is customization. You control the system prompts, boundaries, and values. Your AI operates according to your rules, not those set by a third-party provider. This flexibility is essential for professionals, creators, and anyone who wants to shape their own digital environment. Local AI works entirely offline. Once installed, you don't need an internet connection to use your models. This is especially valuable for users in areas with unreliable connectivity or for those who want to ensure their data never leaves their device. With local AI, there are no usage limits or hidden costs. You can generate as many words, run as many agents, or process as much data as you need, all without worrying about subscription fees or API quotas. This freedom is a major advantage for power users and businesses alike. The success of Llama.cpp and Llama.app is a testament to the power of the open source community. Developers around the world have contributed to making advanced AI accessible, secure, and user-friendly. This collaborative spirit ensures that the technology will continue to evolve and improve for everyone. Llama. The Assisted app is built for the future. Its architecture supports seamless upgrades, hardware optimization, and integration with emerging AI tools and agents. As the field of artificial intelligence continues to advance, users can be confident that their local AI setup will remain relevant and powerful. What was once a niche hobby for developers is now a mainstream utility. With a modern computer and a single installation command, anyone can explore the possibilities of local AI. The technology is ready for prime time, and it's available to everyone, everywhere. With Llama.app, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a developer, writer, researcher, or just curious about AI, you now have the tools to experiment, create, and innovate, all on your own terms. The future of AI is decentralized, user-driven, and more exciting than ever. In summary, Llama.cpp and llama.app have revolutionized the way we interact with artificial intelligence. By making local AI accessible, secure, and easy to use, they empower individuals and organizations to take control of their digital future. If you're ready to experience the freedom and power of local AI, now is the perfect time to get started. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI.